Hi family, how are you all doing? I honestly hope that every single one of you is doing great and is presently in a good place. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I made this gorgeous looking finger coils. This style is just like the two-strand twist and comb coils. It is a great way to style your natural hair, and it can also be used to start your journey into locks. If you've been researching how to make finger curls, then this is the right video for you to watch. So the things you need are just like very basic. Your spray bottle, everybody has a spray bottle. I believe if you have natural hair, you definitely own a spray bottle. You need a spray bottle, you need your gel and a leave-in conditioner. That's why I said these are like the basic things you need to make this. Then the next thing you want to do is to section your hair into manageable boxes or shapes and spray the section hair with water, because water is all you need. Water is your friend. The next step is to apply your gel and smoothen it with your fingers, then comb it gently, and finally to the section hair. Twirl from the root and down to the tip of your hair. So this is basically all you need to do until you complete all the strands on your head.
World and realize that you're melanated, educated, often imitated, but you never duplicated. So believe me when I say that you are powerful, you are worthy, and if you're passionate, it doesn't mean you're angry. So keep your head up and let your voice be heard, cause you are everything and more that this world needs. Little brown girls, you are so beautiful to me. I hope you see. Hey there, little brown girl, can you do one last thing for me? Walk with grace, claim your space, don't you ever be ashamed, and you'll shine, and you're gonna be happy in your skin, happy with your curves, happy that you can say words no longer hurt, happy with your smile, happy with your style. Happy with your kinky curls, your blackness out in the world. I hope you hear me, little brown girl. Hey there, little brown girl. I just want you to know that your hair and your lips and your skin, melanin, it's all beautiful. Hey there, little brown girl. I just want you to know it's okay.
The major reason why I want to lock my hair is that I am currently learning a skill that requires so much of my time and attention. I want to be able to make my hair as consistently as I have been doing in the past. I am trying to dedicate 6 months of my life to gain the required skills I need to make myself employable. I know you might be wondering, why is she trying to get employed if she has a YouTube channel? Well, the truth is, I am yet to meet the requirements to earn money from the videos I put out here. But locking my hair doesn't mean I won't share updates, as I know there are so many of us out there who have never had locks and are just trying to embark on this journey either for spiritual purposes or as a way to focus on other aspects of our lives and just leave our hair to flourish and do its thing. I washed my hair after doing these finger curls, and some of the curls at the front of my head unraveled. So I decided to take it down because I don't know how to manage it, I don't know how to maintain it. I took it down and I decided to start over with 2-strand twists. I'll be uploading the do-it-yourself tutorial very soon, or you can just watch how I made 2-strand twists on my sister's hair right here. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Love ya!